Dear person whose heart is open to people and other than humans who are suffering greatly, I greet you and bow to this precious ability you have developed in this lifetime. The ability to recognize and care about suffering in others. During these times of great devastation in the US and around our planet, our personal resilience grows as we teach ourselves how to travel with loss, with sorrow as a companion. So come home now to your dear body, the vessel carrying you through this lifetime. Greet it warmly. Gently survey this body for tension and invite softening. The invitation to soften, even if the body still holds tight to tension, the invitation is a gift in itself. In this tender witnessing of how you are in the midst of so much external stress, you are saying, I love you to your dear self. We're opening now to body wisdom and emotional intelligence. If it is possible to sense today where grief resides in your body being, give this part of yourself kind attention as you listen to this poem by Rainer Maria Rilke, as translated by Joanna Macy and Anita Barrows. Rilke calls this, "Let this darkness be a bell tower." Feel how your breathing makes more space around you. Let this darkness be a bell tower, and you the bell. As you ring, what batters you becomes your strength. Move back and forth into the change. What is it like? Such intensity of pain. If the drink is bitter, turn yourself to wine. In this uncontainable night, be the mystery at the crossroads of your senses, the meaning discovered there. And if the world has ceased to hear you, say to the silent earth, I flow. To the rushing water, speak, I am. Friend, breathe into what is touching you, finding the part of yourself that is the bell, and cradling it with your awareness, sensing how it is moving back and forth into the change. Let yourself sense how what batters you becomes your strength. notice how this is happening also to others around you. You can hear it in what they say. You can see it in their body language sometimes. Imagine the wide and vibrant circle of all of us over the years being nourished by these words. Keeping them in your heart so that you can return to listen to this poem again whenever you feel the need. And now, wiggling your toes and your fingertips, prepare to greet the rest of this day.